What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. We have a 4G trail camera, you guys. Not 4K, but 4G. Now, this is a 2K camera, which should give you good quality photos and video. And we will definitely find that out later on today. And maybe I might release it in 2 days so y'all can see some good footage. All right, so we have night vision. Of course, it's waterproof. You do get a solar panel. That's a plus. Now, the thing with the solar panel is a 5-watt solar panel charger. So it charges just as good as like your traditional blocks of 5 watts. But you do get 10,000 milliamps of built-in battery. First thing that pops up is the user's manual. We have our solar panel. Let's get into the main attraction now. And you gotta love trail camera, you guys. You can use trail cameras, especially for the deer hunters out there or any type of hunter, you know, hunting squirrels, hunting deers and stuff like that. So you have your trail camera for all of that. You also could use the trail camera as like a security camera for your house. I know some people that do that. They just put the trail camera maybe on like a tree or something, and they give you 2 straps. This is the mount where you can just use screws, screw it up, and then mount it on. If you need to charge it, take it back in your house, charge it up. This is 10,000 built-in milliamp battery. And of course, you have screws and anchors. Put this like that, and then slide it down. Okay, so it just slides right on in there. It's not really, you don't really need a screw or anything, but they do have holes right here. So if you need to screw this up as well, you can. And if not, they got these 2 slots right here where you can use straps. So that's why they gave you 2 straps. So you can strap this up and then you can strap this up. Usually the ones that I reviewed, they have the tripod thread right here. This one have the tripod thread on the back, which makes a little bit more sense, because if you put it on a piece of wood like that, it'll be straight, right? Or your tree. However you put it up, it will be straight. But it would have been nice to put it on the bottom here, because I might want to put it on an actual tripod. But you could take your charger port out right here. And then if you need to take the whole thing, you could take the whole thing out like that. You have on and off and all of your goodies right there. On and off, your SD card, all of that good stuff. Have the antenna all the way up. And then before you start recording, make sure you take your beauty covers off, and then you take your cover off of your sensor right here. All right. So there you go. All right, you guys. So let me charge this for a little bit, and then I will put it out, catch y'all in a little bit. All right, you guys. So I am going to close out this review. I have to say that, man, this thing is awesome, you guys. All right. So it got me. I'm getting the messages right now. So it senses me. It senses far back. I did catch a deer in the yard, you guys. I looked back at all the footage. So yesterday it caught the deer, and I didn't look at the footage from yesterday or last night or whatever. So my kids left the back gate open right there, that back gate, and the deer actually came in the backyard, and I will show you the footage of that. But other than that, everything else is good. The audio is the audio, you guys. Just the trail camera is a trail camera, all right? Get past the audio, okay? The audio is not perfect. I'm gonna call it, this is for the birds, and it'll be for the bird lovers and the animal lovers, all the backyard lovers out there. I will be featuring the audio is not cell phone quality audio, and the video footage of it. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.